Master 100 common English phrases for fluent conversations. 1. How are you? 2. What's your name? 3. Where are you from? 4. Can you help me? 5. What time is it? 6. Where is the nearest restroom? 7. I don't understand. 8. Could you repeat that, please? 9. How much does this cost? 10. How far is it? 11. I'm sorry for being late. 12. I'm looking for... 13. Do you speak English? 14. I need your help. 15. Can I have the bill, please? 16. I'd like to order. 17. What do you recommend? 18. How long does it take? 19. I'm lost. 20. Can I pay with a credit card? 21. Excuse me, where's the exit? 22. Could you speak slower, please? 23. How can I get to the airport? 24. It's a pleasure to meet you. 25. What's the weather like today? 26. What's going on? 27. What's your favorite food? 28. What are you doing later? 29. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. 30. What time does the movie start? 31. I agree with you. 32. It's up to you. 33. What do you think? 34. Let's get started. 35. I'm on my way. 36. I'll be right back. 37. Let me know. 38. That's a good idea. 39. That sounds great. 40. I have no idea. 41. I'll think about it. 42. I've changed my mind. 43. I don't mind. 44. I'm starving. 45. I'm in a hurry. 46. I'll take care of it. 47. I'm not sure. 48. It doesn't matter. 49. I don't believe it. 50. I can't wait. 51. What's the problem? 52. It's not a big deal. 53. Do you have any questions? 54. How can I help you? 55. Take care. 56. What's the plan? 57. I'll call you later. 58. That's a good point. 59. I'm just looking. 60. I've got a lot on my plate. 61. It's none of your business. 62. Can you give me a hand? 63. I'm not feeling well. 64. What a surprise. 65. Let me see. 66. I've been busy. 67. What a shame. 68. What a coincidence. 69. I didn't catch that. 70. I'm ready when you are. 71. It's nice to see you again. 72. It's been a long time. 73. I couldn't agree more. 74. What's new? 75. Can you believe that? 76. Let's call it a day. 77. That's not the point. 78. I have to go. 79. How do you spell that? 80. What do you do for a living? 81. I'll see you tomorrow. 82. Are you sure? 83. Could I get a glass of water? 84. Let's keep in touch. 85. I'm afraid I can't. 86. I'm here to help. 87. Have a great day. 88. I hope so. 89. I'm running late. 90. It's not what I expected. 91. Thanks for the heads up. 92. I'll get back to you. 93. Let me introduce myself. 94. I can't hear you. 95. I hope it goes well. 96. Let me think about it. 97. It's time to go. 98. I'd love to, but I can't. 99. Could you show me how? 100. That's exactly what I was thinking.